Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Edition 1 with 35 TFSI S-Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. Being the Edition 1, you get some signature features including the gloss black styling package with the chrome badges, as well as the wheels as you can see here. From the 1.5 litre petrol engine you get 147 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights, which is signature for the A3 Edition 1s. These offer you optimal visibility regardless of weather condition. As well as these magnificent 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid alloy wheels finished in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and tying in quite nicely with the gloss black styling package. The boot lid can be opened by a touch of a button to reveal ample room for your everyday essentials and even enough space for your weekend away luggage or weekly family shop. The interior is finished in Edition 1 specific leather and Alcantara with the diamond stitching for maximum luxury, and with the comfort you get the centre armrest with dual cup holders and the rear air vents so the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. Moving into the front, we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display as well as dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central screen you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation, meaning you never feel disconnected from the outside world. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And with the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both the front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi A3 Saloon Edition 1 at Stafford Audi. If you have any more questions or wish to take a test drive, please contact our sales team.